Hey guys, this is Srikanth here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to AWX if your admin password is not working. So in this case, when I try to log in, it's not allowing me to enter into AWX because my admin password is incorrect. Okay, so in order to change it, I connected to Ubuntu, which is running on WSL, and then I run this command. Okay, this gives me what are the parts that we're running. So now I have to run. AWX is the namespace. Okay, so here, right, uh, I am executing awx-manage change password admin command on this pod. Okay, I missed the space here. Now it allows me to change the password. So now I can go back to AWX and type the updated password and then it logins. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.